This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming two essentials: an Instagram business or creator account and admin access to the target Facebook page. Open Instagram, go to your profile, tap Settings, then Account Center. This is where the link begins. Once done, choose Add Accounts and follow prompts to log into Facebook. Make sure to use the Facebook account that manages the page. This establishes permissions and avoids duplicate links, and it prepares both platforms to share logins, stories, and cross-posting controls. Now you'll complete the middle steps that set functionality. After logging in, pick the exact Facebook page to connect. Instagram will request permissions, accept them so posts, ads, and messages sync. Once accepted, enable shared login if you want single sign-on, then toggle story sharing and cross-post defaults to your preference. Make sure to verify page roles on Facebook and remove any outdated connections that could conflict. These steps control what's shared and who can manage the linked accounts. Finish by testing. Post a story or feed post and enable Facebook sharing to confirm the connection. Once done, review Account Center and your Facebook page settings to ensure the correct page and permissions are active. If sharing fails, log out of both apps, clear cache or app data, then log back in and relink. This resolves most token or permission issues. Make sure to retry after each change, so you can isolate which step fixed the problem and avoid repeating unnecessary steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.